Hello beautiful people, it's Tine and welcome again to my channel. For today's video guys, I will be doing a very quick makeup look or on-the-go makeup. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's start. So first, let's apply moisturizer. This is like a very quick makeup look and on-the-go makeup look. So dapat mabilisan. I'm going to use this Dr. Whitening Perfect Cream Sunblock.
Open up, you O.P.E.N.
Then let's apply my favorite cream. It's called chun, and I'm using the chun with beta carotene.
Open up, you O.P.E.N. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that high road and hop in.
Next, let's moisturize our lips. Next, lip tint. I'm using my favorite lip tint, Tropicana, in the shade Cranberry. Okay, next thing that we're going to do guys, I'm going to apply my face powder sa aking eyelids. Parang siya yung base ng aking eyeshadow after this. We're good. Next, I'm just going to apply a little shimmer on my eyelids. I'm just going to use my luminizer palette. There you go. Next thing that I'm going to do guys, I'm going to do my brows. So very simple lang. I'm just using my spoolie. And then I'm going to use my eyebrow gel. I think this is from Nichido. And yeah. Okay. So as you can see, I have some kulang na hair sa aking brows. And yan yung i-fix natin. So I'm just going to use my eyeliner to fix that. Okay, next thing that we're going to do guys, we're going to put highlighter on my cheekbones here. And then on the bridge of your nose. So last but not the least guys, I'm going to apply my Tropicana lip and cheek tint. And if you guys also love to put or to apply moisturizer or lip gloss on your lips, you can do so. And there you go, that's it. So this is my quick makeup look or on the go makeup look. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button down below. Also follow me on my social medias. It's Instagram and Facebook. And see you guys on my next video. Bye.